Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Sign into Facebook and open your profile. Once on your profile, tap More or the three-dot menu to reveal profile sections. If you don't see likes immediately, choose Activity Log. This central log tracks your interactions. On mobile, use Settings right arrow Activity Log. On desktop, click More right arrow likes or Manage sections to enable it. Once done, you'll be in the right place to filter only the pages you've liked and move on to precise sorting and review. Now filter the activity log so you only see page likes. In Activity Log, choose Filters, then Interactions or Categories, and select Likes and Reactions. Next, pick Pages and Profiles. You can sort by most recent or oldest. Alternatively, use the search box to type a page name. This narrows hundreds of entries to the exact pages you liked. Once filtered, tap any entry to open that page, view when you liked it, and decide whether to unlike, follow, or change notification settings. Finish by reviewing each page entry and taking action. Open the page to unlike, follow, or save it. Make sure visibility is what you want by checking your profile's sections. Use Manage sections on desktop if likes aren't shown on your profile. If you can't find specific likes, check Activity Log filters and your privacy settings. Some pages may be removed or restricted. If still missing, try a different device or clear the app cache. These steps resolve most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.